almost unnoticeable transition between summer and autumn, perhaps between east and west, or one era and another. All of this is conveyed with minute calligraphic marks, which shimmer like a waterfall through a pale tonal spectrum. Even at times when his imagery was at its most abstract, the title he gave to a piece was often suggestive of some natural form or phenomenon that might offer a clue to its inspiration or meaning. Rather, his very diverse sources, he said, were firmly rooted in the Orient, the Occident, science, religion, and cities.